A well-defined renovations budget is the cornerstone of a successful fix and flip project in real estate investing. It serves as a financial roadmap, ensuring that the project remains profitable. Hello, fellow real estate enthusiasts. Welcome to a special episode where we tackle the cornerstone of property flipping, Renovations Budgeting 101. If you're about to take on a renovation project or are curious about the costs involved in flipping houses, you're in the right place. Prepare to arm yourself with the tools to create a bulletproof budget. Let's get into it. The anatomy of a renovation budget. First, let's dissect a renovation budget. Think of it as a pie, with each slice representing a critical expense. You've got big slices like labor and materials, and smaller but crucial pieces like permits and design fees. Remember, accuracy is key. Estimating too low can land you in hot water, while overestimating ties up cash that could be used elsewhere. Let's not forget the secret ingredient of any budget, the contingency fund. This is your safety net for when the unexpected happens, and trust me, it often does. Case study, the bungalow transformation. Let's walk through a real-life scenario. Meet Emily and Tom, who transformed a neglected bungalow into a stunning modern home. Their success wasn't just luck, it was meticulous planning and savvy budgeting. They began by assessing the property's needs, from cosmetic updates to essential structural repairs. By prioritizing tasks and allocating funds appropriately, they stayed on target. Their contingency fund covered unexpected termite damage, proving its worth tenfold. Dodging budget pitfalls. Beware of the budget pitfalls. The most common mistake? Underestimating the renovation scope. Many first-time flippers fall for surface-level charm and overlook deeper issues. Here's a pro tip. Always get a full inspection before buying, and when budgeting, be realistic about renovation needs. Allocate funds for both aesthetics and essentials like electrical and plumbing. A well-rounded budget is your best defense against unforeseen costs. Q&A, tackling your budget queries. All right, it's question time. We've got a great one today from one of our viewers. How do I manage a budget when contractor quotes vary? Excellent question. My advice, get multiple quotes, check references, and don't just go for the cheapest option. Balance cost with quality. Please submit questions in the comments section, and we will do a video answering all of your questions. Deep dive with a financial expert. Welcome to the show, Alex. It's great to have a financial guru with your expertise in real estate with us today. Many of our listeners are first-time renovators looking for advice on how to navigate their projects financially. What financial tips can you offer them?
Thank you for having me. First and foremost, it's crucial for first-time renovators to start with a clear budget. Know how much you can afford to spend and stick to it. Unexpected costs are a common part of renovations, so including a contingency fund of at least 10 to 20% of your overall budget is a wise move.
That's a valuable tip, Alex. What about financing those renovations? Any advice on loan options?
Absolutely. There are several loan options available, including home equity loans, personal loans, and government loans like the FHA 203K loan, which is specifically designed for home improvement projects. Each has its benefits and requirements, so it's important to research and choose the one that best fits your financial situation.
And once financing is sorted, how can first-time renovators save money during the actual renovation process?
There are several cost-saving strategies to consider. First, focus on renovations that increase your home's value. Kitchens and bathrooms are a good place to start. Second, don't underestimate the power of doing some work yourself. Simple tasks like painting or demolition can save a lot on labor costs. Lastly, shop around for materials and consider refurbished or second-hand items for big savings.
Those are incredibly helpful insights, Alex. Managing a renovations budget, understanding the best financing options, and implementing cost-saving strategies are essential steps for any first-time renovator. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure. Happy renovating, everyone.
We've covered a lot today in our Renovations Budgeting 101 guide. Remember, a successful renovation budget is detailed, realistic, and includes a contingency fund. If you've enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for our next episode, Navigating the Permit Maze, a guide for renovators. Until then, keep investing and renovating smartly.
you.